Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to eat the Buldak noodles. So these are the 2 times spicier noodles, and from what I've heard and from what I've seen in the videos, they are extremely spicy, and most of the YouTubers were not able to finish them. So let's see whether I'm able to or not. So yeah, let's cook these noodles and see whether they're as spicy as all the YouTubers claim that they are. I'm super excited, by the way. So guys, I've added these noodles in boiling water and we're going to cook them for 5 minutes and then drain the rest of the water and keep approximately 7 to 8 tablespoons of water, and yeah, that's about it. So I'll also be making fried eggs, 2 fried eggs, to eat with these noodles, because from what I've seen in the videos, they go really well with buldak noodles. And yeah, so my egg is almost done. I'm going to make another one. Okay guys, so the noodles are ready. I'm going to drain the excess water and then we'll mix in the sauce. Okay you guys, I've drained the excess water, just a little bit that's left, and now I'm going to add the sauce. Ooh, it looks so red. It looks so spicy actually. And it's black, not red. Okay, let's just quickly mix. I hope it tastes good. I hope it's not just spicy and no flavors. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's ready. Now I'm going to add 2 slices of cheese. So let's do that. Here's the cheese and the second slice. Oh, I think it's seaweed, you guys, and sesame seeds and roasted seaweeds, right? I think that's what this is. Oh, it looks so pretty. Hello everyone. So the noodles are ready, the eggs are ready, the food is ready, and I am again pretty nervous to try this out, because of everything that I've seen. So from what I've seen, these are extremely spicy. I've seen people puking after eating this, and most of them were not able to eat all the noodles. So yeah, my only, like, what I want to do is just to finish them. So that's the challenge. I won't be drinking anything or eating anything else other than this in between. So yeah, let's start. I am very nervous, but yeah. Okay guys. Sorry guys, I was clicking a thumbnail. Sorry about that. So yeah, here goes the first bite. So I am not going to take any cheese in that, like in my first bite. Yay. Cheers. Mm. They're tasty. Oh, the spice, it's like I'm able to tolerate it as of now, but yeah, it's building up. Okay, as you can see, abhi tak I haven't touched the cheese, it's all here. So I think I could have done this challenge without the cheese as well. And I have another packet with me which I have not cooked. So next time I do this challenge, I'll do this without any cheese or eggs. Should I try this with the eggs now? Okay, so let's make a bite. I'll eat it with the cheese as well as the egg. A wholesome bite. Okay, so it tastes amazing with egg and cheese. Like, I'm not even kidding. Too good. Too good. Oh my god. I think the Jolo chip was way spicier than these noodles. What do you guys think? Like, personally speaking, I don't know how many of you have tried these noodles or the chip, but personally speaking, I think the chip was way worse. I don't know why, but I'm already feeling very full. Like, I haven't eaten anything since morning, and I think abhi 4 बज रहे होंगे, maybe 5, no, 4:30, and this is my first meal of the day, and I'm feeling full. I'm getting full, like I'm starting to. Is this because it's spicy? That's a big bite. I don't know what's with these noodles. They're not very spicy, but after a point you just don't feel like eating them. Like they're really not spicy, but I don't know why. I don't feel like finishing them all. Ooh. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna stop eating now. They're not bad, they're not way too spicy. You can definitely try them once. But I'm full, like I'm really, really full. And it's just one packet. I don't know why I can't eat anymore. But yeah, I am going to eat an ice cream because I just want to. Not because it's spicy. It's really not. Like, you should definitely try this. I am going to try to eat it once without any cheese or eggs, just to see क्या difference आता है. So yeah, let me go and quickly get my ice cream and then we'll eat it together. Okay, you guys, I'm back and here's my ice cream. So this is butterscotch. I generally don't like butterscotch. I'm a chocolate person. But yeah, इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. Why aren't these noodles spicy though? Like, I have literally seen so many YouTubers, they were puking and God knows what not. But I think it was okay. It's not as spicy. Maybe because we Indians, we already tend to eat a lot of spice, and Americans, they don't. So yeah, maybe उनके palate के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. How cute is this ice cream? Okay, so first bite. Okay, I think I don't hate this butterscotch that much. So I am going to finish eating my ice cream. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. I'm sorry I'm eating and speaking at the same time. But yeah, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with as many people as you can. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Love you all.